Hi, this is Mike with Airstream Adventures. Today we're going to take a look at our water pump switch. The water pump switch is located in the interior of the trailer, usually on a black panel, very similar to this, and it has its own switch located and labeled as pump. We turn the switch on and a green indicator light comes on and you'll hear the pump operating down below the trailer in the lower level. The water pump switch is used in conjunction with our fresh water tank, and our fresh water tank is used only when we're boondocking or off-grid camping. Not to be confused with our water inlet connection, which provides our fresh water, pressurized water from our campsite or utility connection. So this switch is only used when we're off-grid camping or boondocking, and it pulls water and pressurizes water off our fresh water tank. Thank you for watching our video. For more information, please visit us at airstreamadventures.com.